Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain an error related to yarn. I was building a React Native project using Expo. In order to start project, I was trying to execute a command and I got an error. I will explain step by step. Before going to problem and solution, I have a request. If this video is helpful for you, please consider to subscribe my channel, because by subscribing you are actually encouraging me to create more videos like this. By this way, those videos may help you or others in the future. Now let us get into the problem and solution. I have opened my VS Code and I'm going to execute the command yarn create expo-app travel project. Travel project is the project name of my app. Let me copy the command. I'm going to execute on the terminal. Look at on the terminal. I have the error yarn. The term yarn is not recognized as the name of a cmdlet function, script file, or operable program. Check the spelling of the name, or if a path was included, verify that the path is correct and try again. At line 1, char 1, yarn create expo-app travel project. Category info object not found, yarn string command not found exception. Fully qualified error ID, command not found exception. By this error message, we understood that the command, the term yarn not found. So fully qualified error ID is command not found exception. So if you are working in React Native project in Windows or iOS systems, you have to execute a command. I will share it with you. First, you have to execute npm install -g yarn. That means you have to first install yarn on your system. In order to install yarn, you have to execute this command npm install -g yarn. Here -g stands for global. That means we are installing yarn command not only on this project, this travel project, but also entire system globally. So in any project, any React Native project, you can use this yarn command. It is available entire system, not only on this travel project. If we remove this -g from here, it will be available only on this project, this travel project, inside this travel project. So better to install -g globally. After installing yarn using this npm install -g yarn command, you have to verify that the yarn is installed properly on your system. In order to check which version of yarn is installed on your system, you can use this command yarn -version. Okay, so let me paste it here, yarn -version. So this command will return the current yarn version installed on your system. So I will explain one by one again. If you run this command, you will get yarn command not found exception. So in order to fix the error, first run this command, then verify that yarn is installed properly on your system. Then if you run this command again, you don't get this error. Okay, it will create travel project without any error. One more thing, this npm install -g yarn will work on iOS based systems. In Windows operating system, this command will not work. You have to use another way to install yarn. I will explain it in another video. So, if you face this error in Windows and iOS systems, one thing is that you have to install yarn. But the solution I provide here will work only on iOS OS systems. It will not work on Windows operating system. You have to use another methods to install yarn on Windows systems. I will explain it in another video. Anyway, by this small video, I hope you understood the concept. Once again, please consider my request. Try to subscribe my channel. By subscribing, you are actually encouraging me to create more videos like this, which may help you or others in the future. Thank you.